Don't put that in there. You can't put that in there because then I'll get made fun of. This jump's really weird. It's easy to over jump and easy to case. Like the face is kind of flat.
It's not as long as it should be.
Yeah. So weird jump. If you land it perfect, it's sick. But is it still good? Okay.
We're good. We're good.
What you doing? Taking my number plate off so I can take this on there. It's gonna be sick. Getting my lack.
So you can tape this on there. Why are you gonna tape? What?
We're gonna tape this gimbal onto the back of this number plate so we can make a sick video. The things we do for you guys to see cool stuff.
All the Jimmy rigging.
The Jimmy rigging, the Brett rigging, the Dayton rigging. You never know what you're gonna get. Let's take this thing on here.
My cow call, my calf call. Come on, cows, moo, moo, moo. Moo. They're not having it. Moo.
Hey, you're gonna have to eat that
working.
orange.
Not that one.
Yeah.
No.
It fell on the ground. You touched it and it fell on the ground.
No. Oh, I did, huh?
Yeah.
I can't eat that.
Yeah, you have to.
No, I can't.
For the video.
I won't do it. It looks terrible.
Come on, eat it.
I don't think that's what these things are for, man. I think these are for orange juice.
No, you gotta eat it. You gotta taste it.
She's not like a normal orange that I've had before, man. They don't look very normal. It's getting all over me. It's actually pretty good.
Really?
A little sour. Tastes more like a grapefruit. Whoa! Yeah, Sonny's barbecue. I don't even like barbecue, but this stuff was top notch. Sonny's barbecue, we had Manny's. Oh, I had like a steak or filet and lobster for like 20 bucks or something. It was amazing. And like I said, the sweet tea is on point. You can't go wrong with like a bucket full of sweet tea. That's just makes me happy thinking about it. It makes me want to go drink some sweet tea right now. I could probably drink about 1.5 gallons a day, no problem. Ain't no thing. But and I love eating, as everybody knows. I mean, I'll eat just about anything in sight. I've proven that. It's fine. Brett. What's happening?
What are you doing?
Malcolm's rigging me up with the proper fishing equipment for Florida.
Oh, look at
You know, I'm trusting him. I don't know whether he's gonna give me junk so he outfishes me for sure, or whether he's gonna give me something that's like really good to make sure I catch something. So he's gonna be my tour guide or my fishing guide. I'm not really sure which way he's gonna go with it, but we're about to find out, I guess. I guess the other part's up to me whether I catch something or not.